Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. Been an interesting couple of weeks, and particularly last week we're seeing through our finance arm with Plus Loans and a huge increase in inquiry from first home buyers and just people in general looking to probably reinvest into real estate. Now that the banks have changed their assessment thresholds over the last 6 months, people are rediscovering that they can borrow money. Certainly if you were talking to a bank 12 months ago, the criteria today is different, so it's certainly well worth having talked to our broker. So give Dan at Plus Loans a ring anytime and I'd be happy to help you. Plus your settlements, we're seeing an increase in activity outside of our area, so deals coming in from those areas, and Sam and the team have been very busy in that, so and congratulations to the guys, are getting some fantastic Google reviews. Just on the real estate side of it, we're certainly seeing activity through from Midland through up into the hills. We're seeing an increase in activity, particularly around units in Midland, which we haven't seen for quite some time, and a number of good sale prices being achieved. So that's very encouraging. Stock levels, and I've just discussed it in the past, we are seeing a drop in stock levels through the whole market. It's getting closer to that 12,000 mark, as I mentioned, is probably one of the magic numbers. And now we're seeing also in rentals the number now less than 5,500 rentals available in West Australia, which is certainly a low that hasn't been seen for some time. And in fact, in our recent viewings for rental properties, we've had queues of people, and in fact we had up to 20 people attend one viewing. We haven't seen that for a long time. So looks like kids are moving out. It looks like obviously employment's improving, and there's certainly some positive things out there. The interesting one also in the last couple of weeks, many of us will be observing the stock exchange, and certainly been some declines there. Generally what happens with that is we see people returning to bricks and mortar for investments, and that's probably driving some of the new inquiry through Plus Loans, Plus Your Settlements, and ourselves. And I think that will certainly have a big influence going forward over the next 12 to 18 months, plus the fact that there's a lot more positive news coming out of West Australia as a whole. In the meantime, if you've got any other things you would like to know about real estate, check out realestateplus.com.au, and great to see you again this week.